Alpha waves.
So right now, coming a bit different. Pinero's mine, welcome back. I've been gone for a minute. You know how it is. UK, this is a UK sighting, that's why I'm doing this. I don't usually do this type of videos, but this is a UK sighting and I'm from UK, so this is what it is, right? A big mass construction in the sky, can you see it? Hidden behind the clouds. So this picture here was taken in Fellsworth, somewhere in the UK. I've never heard of it, to be honest. If anyone lives out there, you know, go in the comments, let us know if you've seen ET in them, you know what I mean? But this picture was taken by a guy that was chilling outside with a high-tech camera. But you only really noticed it when he got home, when he started looking through the photos, and he started noticing that there's a mass construction in the sky. As we zoom in, you can obviously tell there's sharp edges. Like, what cloud do you know has sharp edges? You see, this is the thing now with this UFO thing. Now, a lot of people think that there are aliens, so a lot of people think that they're not. A lot of people think that they're demons, you know, posing as aliens, you know, ET and them. Because you know, when you look at a lot of the films that are out with aliens, they're really ugly, aren't they? You know, and unless they're like human type aliens, very ugly. So maybe they are demons. You know, a big possibility. Look at the sharp edges in this UFO, in the clouds. Look at this. As you play with the contrast, it looks like there's even some type of pattern. See, right now, there's a big talk about dimensions and warp holes and, you know, these type of things. So some people actually feel that there's like dimensions on top of us. So some things actually be going in and out of dimensions and into ours and accidentally crossing over, so to speak. Yeah, a lot of people think that some of these flying saucers that people see and different types of craft are actually in the other dimension, but they cross through ours from time to time. We better hope so, because obviously the technology that they got and the capabilities they have, we haven't got that. We could have it. The military might have it hidden away, allegedly, as people say. So the technology that they will have, I hope they're just stuck in another dimension, to be honest, because all we get given is iPads and stuff like that. So, and nice cars and 4K, 8K TVs and stuff, you know what I mean? So, but I don't know, what's your thoughts on that? But in the UK at the moment, there's been a lot going on. This is why I've done this video, because I'm in the UK, so I just wanted to let you lot know. There's a lot of videos and photos floating around of UFO sightings in the UK. So now check this one out now. 2 pilots from the UK flying, and they see something like a red object and an orange object flashing, hovering. They were so confused, they actually went onto Facebook. Now these 2 sightings that I'm telling you about is all between now and the last 2 weeks. Say the last week, not the last 2 weeks, the last week. But these 2 pilots were looking for answers on Facebook. Now they say this is the city of Gloucester. I don't know where that is. Is that in Scotland? I don't know where that is. I haven't been to either of these places. So they were doing some navigational sequences in the air, right? And they both saw the thing, you know, and jumped straight onto Facebook. Everything's online. You can check it out for yourself. Now this has been happening a lot. There's been more UFO sightings, but I'm not gonna go through all of them. That's up to you now. You can just type in UFO sightings in the UK. But yeah, you're gonna come up with some funny stuff. But you know, you just gotta learn to decipher. But me, I personally feel that all of them can't be fake. But this is the bad thing with the internet now when it comes to the UFO thing. And you got these graphics, you got CGI and all these type of things now that you can use. Yeah, so the pilots now, they were saying that they saw 4 lights like stacked on top of each other, you know? And every time they went to the craft would move away and keep it at a separate distance from them, the same distance from them. Now they said the yellow was kind of an offset yellow, and there was like a white light flashing, right? So they tried to like maneuver, but it was like it was too high. That when they got level with it, it's like it dropped its level. You know what I'm trying to say? So that's how they said it was when they saw it. On top of that, they said it was stationary. So it was just like sitting there, which a lot of UFO sightings, that's what people say. They're just sitting there like hovering. Maybe they're angels, who knows? You know, maybe we're getting it all confused. Maybe they're the angels that are watching over the earth. What are they watching for? Maybe they're getting ready for something. Maybe they're just watching over us. Let's not forget they've already fought a war on Earth before. So to get down onto Earth to fight that war, you'd have to come from the heavens, right? But anyway, I just wanted to share that video with you, yeah? Because you know you gotta be aware of what your surroundings, what's going on. Because I ain't trying to get probed. And I hope you ain't trying to. I know some of you are gonna like getting probed. You lot are getting, I know there's a big percentage of you, from what I'm seeing in all these soaps and all these TV programs, and I know there's a big percentage of you that don't mind getting probed, but I ain't trying to get probed, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'll be putting out some more video for you people, man. I forgot you know. Love, peace. All music provided by Alpha Waves. Instagram and YouTube, links in the description. Quote Panero's Mind for a discount on beats.